So that was an alligator.
That's an alligator right here. It's a baby alligator now. If I see a big one, then I'm running.
Wait, is that it? Is that it right there?
Where?
Right there. Is that
It's
it?
floating away? No?
Yeah.
That's a leaf.
I don't hear it, Dad. I don't hear it.
You gotta be very quiet. You can hear it.
Oh God! A snake! A snake! A snake! Ow! What?
I don't see no snake.
Oh, Mom, back up.
Where you see a snake at? I wanted to see
Where's the snake at?
Y'all know good way ain't gonna run from no snakes.
Oh, there's a snake right there.
Where?
Mom, look at water. He
Where?
disappeared. He just went back on the water. He was like, and he went back on the water.
Y'all know I ain't scared of no snakes.
Same. I didn't freak out like that. Yeah, but these poisonous snakes out here, I don't know what kind of snakes they be having. I don't either hear anything.
Where was it? It was over there by us?
Yeah. She said it's a baby snake.
I don't hear anything. Mom, I promise you I did not hear anything.
You heard it? Did y'all hear it again?
I heard it, but it's not. Since we've been talking, it's not making no sound.
I heard it. I heard it. It just did. Oh, it has to be. I didn't see a snake. There it is. What is that?
Tamar, what is you talking
Mom,
about?
I'm not playing. Look, I'm not playing. Look.
Oh, something right there, Dick. Oh, that's probably the turtle. That's the turtle.
Ooh, little froggy. No, I'm not talking about that. It's on land.
Where?
It's moving. Where? Yeah, right there. I want to know what it is. I don't know what it is, but
What is she talking about? You see what she's talking about?
it's get close. That one's there. I'm trying to catch a fish like that. It's by the green bush, she said. Bro, I know we all heard it.
The alligator's not making no noise from here.
Yeah, probably because I see a lot of us.
Where?
Bro, right there by the silver thing on the ground. Whoa, okay, I know. See it?
Well, I don't see it.
What the heck? Mom, that really I would have done the same thing.
I don't see what you're talking about.
Oh,
They got a noise.
Y'all hear? All right, y'all come over here.
It's about to pour down again. We gotta run.